Hello friends, this is a crochet daisy flower pattern. You can make shawl or afghan of the same pattern, and in this pattern I am using two color of yarn, yellow color for center and the flower red color for petals. First you make 3 chain, count as a first DC, double crochet, and then make 12 more double crochet in the first round, and then you cut your yarn, and this is the first round. Here I am using the yellow color yarn, and then you attach red color, or you can take your favorite color yarn, and then you make 15 chains in the first stitch and go to the second stitch and make one slip stitch, and then make 15 chains and go to the next stitch and make one slip stitch, and you repeat these petals 12 times, and lastly you cut your yarn and make one slip stitch, and your flower will be ready. And you make this flower by using the cotton thread. And for more detail you go to my blog spots. Thank you.